Hello and welcome back to my Inktober / Let's Start Making YouTube Videos journey. Today is day 6 and today's prompt is drooling. So yesterday evening I sketched out this vampire girl, and right before I fell asleep my brain came up with, oh, maybe we could turn her to stone. Now I didn't know how to achieve that, but this morning I thought about how I watched a lot of YouTube videos where people use salt in their watercolor pieces to create a very interesting texture. And I want to try to use salt to create my stone texture. Okay, so I won't be needing this because I want to mess around a bit with a new sketchbook, some clean water, my Pentel water brush pens. They have different shades of ink, maybe some watercolor brushes, I don't know yet, and salt of course. So first I just want to see how the salt reacts with the ink, and you can already see the salt absorbs the ink and there are gonna be some white circles where the salt lays on the ink. And I also thought about maybe using some watercolor for a bit of a green tint, because I've seen on reference photos of statues that some of them have this more greenish look to them, but in the end I decided to just go with the ink. First of all, the statues turn a bit more greenish the older they get, and that's not really what's happening here. I wanted to look like she's just now turning to stone. Also, I just want to stick to the more monochromatic look in a little red ink for a pop of color. For a while I just played around a bit and tried to combine different shades of ink, see how well they would work together, also try to include a bit more water to see how light I could get them. In the end I really liked how the salt reacted with the ink, and I was pretty much just trying to hype myself up and do the actual drawing, because I knew I wanted to do the ink wash on everything from the neck down, which is a pretty big chunk of the drawing, and I was a bit scared to mess it up. But I knew eventually I had to do it on the actual drawing, and my hands got really sweaty and I was so scared to mess it up. In the end it turned out really nice. I loved the texture and I really like the salt effect, so I can only recommend it. If you want to try out something new, if you want to incorporate some interesting textures, go and grab your salt. I think I was a bit too happy about the whole ink wash thing going right. I got careless and I messed up the ear, but oh well. I'm done here. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any kind of critique, or if you disliked something about this video, or if you liked something, it would be really nice if you could comment it so I can learn from it and try to improve my videos. I'm really happy about any sort of feedback, and yeah, that's it. Thank you and see you soon.